What is up guys, my name is Santosh, you're watching Smart Tech, and in today's video we'll be reviewing the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. So as you all saw the small intro, please make sure to subscribe and let's aim for 5 likes. And this earphones was launched in the OnePlus 8 series and the price of these earphones is Rs 1999. In today's video we'll be unboxing it, and if you want a comparison between OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z and the OnePlus Bullets 2, it's there in the I button, comment section and the description. Now let's see the specs, unbox it and let's get started. First things first, let's unbox the box and see what's inside. The back of the box has been labeled very nicely with a red color and there are specifications at the back. Let's fast forward the video and see what's inside. So first, if you open the box, you get something like this, and inside this you get all the warranty card and how to use guide and thanking you for buying this and much more. So let's keep it aside, and you can see there's a text on the box too, which looks amazing. Now let's move on to the earphone itself. As you can see, the earphone, it have been packed very much nicely. It's beautiful to look, and let me remove it outside the box. Once you remove it, it's a neck band, right? So they have shaped it properly and kept it nice. It's really beautiful. Let's talk about the red box. And inside this red box, you get a pair of earbuds. Here are some earbuds which you can share with someone else. And then you get a charging cable. The color gradient looks amazing. The white and red is like, it's very nice. And let me show you the earbuds. There are actually 4 buds over there. So that means 2 pairs, 4 buds. And the color of the buds are also black and red gradient. It's nice. So this makes a good feel and it looks impressive while wearing in your ears. So these are the things you get in the box. Let's now talk about the specifications. Let's keep the box aside and talk about the earphones. Starting off with the weight. It's 28 grams. It weighs 28 grams, which is little less. You can control your voice assistant using these earphones. You can even control a volume button, and you can change your music, and you can switch to calls from music using this earphones. It does a lot of job. And here you see it's a symbol of Realme over there, and there are some buttons to change the volume. The shape of the earpiece is very nice and it uses magnetic control. It comes with a 9.5 mm audio driver, which gives a great audio quality, and it's IP55 water resistance, which can resist water, dust and much more.